Hello everyone, today I will choose the MACD and rate of change and moving average indicators. Rate of change settings, we choose 9 and 2 pixels. For the MACD setting we select only 2 pixels. Moving average settings, select 7 and EMA, and select 2 pixel. Here I will get my trades. We choose 2 minutes. First we have a top with a retracement candle that has a long tail. Here we have several summit and the market respects the summit. If we see the MACD indicator candles, we will see that there is a contraction of the candles from large to small, and this indicates that the market has begun to turn downward, and now we wait for the end of the trades. All trades have been closed successfully. This is my first trade today. This market is good for getting trades. Here, there are bottoms at about the same level, and this indicates a market reversal to the upside. If we see the MACD indicator, we have a candlestick reversal, and we have the intersection of the lines, and the rate of change indicator is also in a rising state. The moving average indicator is at the bottom of the candle. All trades closed successfully and I have a balance of $19,220. Great day to relax after trading. To learn more about strategies, subscribe to the Trading Make Money channel to learn more.